welcome back to L.J.C. Crafts. What was I supposed to say again? Oh, okay. Well, today we're going to be making this thing. I don't exactly know what the name of it is, to be honest. Yeah. This is pretty old. I've been looking at this recently, and I've been wanting to redo it, for obvious reasons. I did this a few years ago, and it's been through some years. So I'm going to make this intro short. We're going to need some basic paper. This is 28 by 22. I don't really think it matters though. This is just printer paper. Scissors, kind of. You'll see what I mean. And a pencil or a pen or markers or Sharpies or pencil crowns or something to write these things and the numbers in. We're going to ignore this example because this is it's pretty bad. Anyways, let's get started. We're going to start with making a square of this piece of paper. We're going to grab one corner and we are going to fold it just like so, like that, so it makes this kind of angled looking triangle thing. I'll show you in a second what I mean. Okay, ta-da, we got this triangle looking thing. We're going to unfold it now, so it is a perfect square. Just like that. Now we're going to do the same thing and fold it this way so we have a line going this way. Just like so. If you need more time to fold it, that's okay. So it should look like this. Unfold it again. If you need to pause this video at any time, feel free to do so. And now we have this cross type of pattern here. So now the next thing to do is we're going to fold in these corners into the center of this square. So I'm going to get one of these corners. I'll pick this corner, and in the middle of this little X cross pattern looking thing, we are going to fold this into, just like that. Now with our mini or smaller squares, mini or even a word, we are going to fold it this way, so corner to corner, up like that. Okay, we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. Turn it. Like so, and we can unfold it now. Okay, so the next step is to flip it over. And you know, when we match the corners into the center, we're going to basically be repeating that step again. So now, again, we are going to fold this, except we're going to fold it this way, so not corner to corner. We're going to fold this half of the square, which is this small little rectangle, and we're going to fold it inwards like so. And then we're also going to fold the other way, so you can flip it over and fold it this way. We're going to repeat that on the other side, so we're going to turn it, fold it this way, unfold it, and then fold it the other way. And now you should have this. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you want to get the side where the little squares are, and you want to fold that inwards, like so, and then you should be able to push it in like this. If your little paper creation thing doesn't fold in like this, you may have to refold it. So do the folding rectangles that we did before again. If it does work, then that's fantastic. So basically, you want to fold in like this, and then you want to put your fingers kind of under these square things. Like that. Do that on the other side. Sometimes it's kind of tricky, and there you go. So now you should be able to fold it in and out like that. So as you can see, I'm just doing that with my hands. So now we're going to get to the fun decorating part. You can unfold your thing, put it into a little square. Here's where we're going to be putting our numbers, so you can get any pen or pencil. I would not use marker because it'll probably bleed onto the other side, so I'm just going to play safe and use a pen. I just have this simple black pen with me here, and you're just going to pick any little one of these triangles. That's what matter. I'll start with this one. Just make sure you know how they're in groups of 2. Pick the one on the left, and I'm just going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very simple. You can make your numbers more fancy, but I'm just going to stick with this. So now what we're going to do is we are going to unfold it like this. So we have it like this. We're going to grab the triangles and unfold it like that. And under each of these triangle things, you are going to make a little prophecy type of things. So, okay, so here's mine. I just quickly wrote some random things. You can pause this video if you would like some inspiration. Some of them are like common ones that you'll see, like you'll soon become rich. Some of them are kind of weird, and some of them are just stuff I came up with at the top of my head. I didn't really think much about it. I just wrote what came to me. So anyways, what you will now do is you will fold it up again. So fold these triangles in. It'll be pretty easy to fold in since you have already folded these creases. And you're going to flip it over like that. So now what you're going to do is you are going to, on each little square here, you are going to draw or just write something. So the bottom line, just make my own one, is just colors, like red, orange, green, blue. You can just write colors or just like scribble the color on. You can also be much more creative than that. You can put like countries and then draw a country flag, or if you're very artistic, you can draw like your favorite character from a book, like 4 different characters. Of course, it's quite a small space to do so, but there are many more creative things you can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually draw 4 different types of fruits on this. I don't want to just draw a color. I want to be a bit more creative than that, but there are much more creative things, so you can just draw fruit, but you can do whatever you would like. Origami future teller is done, or whatever you want to call it. We are now finished with that. You can probably tell by the effort put into it. I did not try too hard on this because I didn't want it to take too long. I wanted it to be a short little activity. So now we are going to just quickly fold it again, so we can fold it this way like that, and over, and then the other way. We've already folded it, but just to make sure. So now we are going to fold it in like this, and we're going to kind of grab the sides of the paper and kind of squish it forwards. And if you folded it correctly, it should easily turn into this type of shape here. And from here, we are just going to put our fingers under these letters. So you can loosen it up, put your finger under. So we just put our fingers under the squares, and now you should be able to do that. So just fluff it up a bit more, if you know what I'm trying to say. And now you have your origami future teller paper type of thing finished. So do a little test run. So that one page cherry, CHERRY. You pick number 2, 1, 2, and then you pick 5 over there. Red will soon be your favorite color. And now you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like your origami future teller, whatever you want to call it. I hope you like how it turned out. I'll see you next time. Bye. Honestly, thank you so much for watching. I know we aren't the best YouTubers out there, but we do try every single time to make our videos a bit better for you guys. So thank you so much for watching this. Don't forget to like this video if you want to, and comment any